Good morning everybody, welcome back to our Tai Chi tips. We're here in Cape Town filming in Kirstenbosch in this beautiful hot sunny day. So the tip that we're going to be doing today is to concentrate on the center of the sternum, hollowing out your chest. This is for very many different reasons, but the one we're going to concentrate on today is so that our shoulder joints can release and open up. This gives free movement of our arms instead of a stiffness through the shoulders and into the arms. So in a position like this, if we have the tightness in our chest, if our chest is up, then the shoulder joint is restricted. There's no movement. So if you watch here, chest up, I can't move the arm very far. But if I hollow out the chest and I allow the sternum to soften and sink down, then there's suddenly movement all the way through the joint of my shoulder and into the arms. Okay, if you do this, it pulls back and it tightens. So you create stress in the joints of your shoulders, neck, and like all around this top area of your body. So you want to make sure to concentrate here, soften, hollow out, and allow it to sink down towards the belly, and you'll have movement and very little stress then through the shoulders and the neck. Good luck, and thank you very much.